Who wants $100 now? Comment down below $100. And let me show you 5 apps in this video that will actually make us $400 without doing anything. And you can cash out your money in many different payment methods. And of course, you can do this from basically anywhere in the world. And you only need one thing, which is your mobile phone. You can do this on your Android phone or on your iPhone. All you gotta do is just follow my easy steps, download the app and sign up for a free account, and boom, you're ready to go and start making money. I want you to think about this. You wake up early in the morning, check your mobile phone, and guess what you receive? You have a lot of payments in your account. You can start making money just like this. While you're sitting on your couch, even while you're sleeping, and literally doing nothing, you can still make money over and over again. And the best thing about all of this is that they are absolutely free, meaning you do not have to spend any money at all to download them. But here's the warning, results can vary, so use it at your own risk. There may be days where you're gonna make a lot of money, and there are also days that you might make less money. But if you watch this video, you're gonna discover the 5 passive income apps that are going to pay you while you're doing nothing at all. This is totally hands-free. Even while you sleep, I'll show you how to download, sign up, and verify for free and start earning $100 and up to $400 with just your mobile phone. And you'll learn everything step by step, and then you can see exactly how I do it before you go and try it yourself. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on our channel on how to make money online. Please also give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. The first app that I want to show you is tv2.com. So the concept of this app is really simple. You can just click and play and watch the video, and you can start making money. You can do this on the television or on your phone, whether it's just iOS or Android. The reason you can make money is that you can literally click and play the video and just let it play in the background using different devices. Now you can do this while you go to school, while you're sleeping, and you're going to do your other things. So all you're going to do is download the TV2 app on your mobile phone. So if you're using an Android phone, you can go on to Google Play Store and you're going to search for this app right here. And as you can see, hundreds of thousands of people left a review, and they got close to 5 stars, which is incredible. Once you download the app, make sure you go and click the app on your mobile phone or link them to your television, and you can play the video and start making money. And there are literally unlimited videos and channels that you can click on and start making money. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell. The second app that you can make money without doing anything is over at AppKarma.io. As you can see here, you can earn rewards by playing with apps, and this is absolutely free. The reason why you can make money without anything is that when you download and install this app, you can instantly get 300 points, meaning you can get $3 without doing anything. You can download this on your Android phone, you can download this on your iPhone. So right now, this is the bonus tip, which I'm going to show you every single day. Just log into your account, go on and open this app, and just claim that daily reward. And this is how you can earn money every single day without actually doing anything on this app. You can get different achievement badges which can multiply your earnings, and you can earn double or even triple your money right now. And one last thing about AppKarma is that you can actually refer friends by sharing an invite link on your app, and you can earn 30% of whatever your friends earn. So for example, when you refer people and they earn $100, you can earn an extra $30 for free without doing anything. Once again, if you're using an Android phone, you can go on to your Google Play Store and search for this app. And the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right application. This is just a very simple app to use, and you have multiple ways to make money, including playing games, and also you can earn by scratching cards. And don't forget to log in every single day to claim your rewards. The third app is over at Cash for Minutes. With this app, you can make money by simply listening to internet radio broadcasts, and you can receive money every single week. As you can see here, they are now offering weekly payouts and many different payment options. So right here, you can see speedy payments. You can choose from weekly or monthly payments by using either bank transfer, PayPal, or Amazon gift card. Once again, this app is available worldwide. They have global access, so all you need to do is just having a mobile phone and an internet connection. Basically, this is how it works. You can go on and sign up for a free account on cash for minutes. Just set up your profile and link your phone number to this app. And you can start listening to different radio broadcasts and radio stations, and you can start earning money on this app. There's another bonus way to make money, which is by referring a friend. As you can see here, you can invite your friends and you can earn 5% of whatever they earn. You can refer your friends, you can refer your family, or you guys can just leave your referral links below in this video. And you can use each other's referral links and all you can make money together. Moving on to app number 4, which is over at GetSlidejoy.com. And the reason why this app pays you money for literally doing nothing is because they want to show you different advertisements on your phone. And that's the way they're making money. This app actually got featured in so many major companies. So as you can see here, once you download this app on your mobile phone, they're going to start showing different advertisements on your lock screen. As you can see here, they might show you an ad about a pair of shoes, so all you gotta do is just slide right to go to your home screen. You can just ignore the advertisement. And you can get paid every single day. You can go on to your Google Play Store and you can find this app, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right application. Once again, as you can see here, almost a lot of people are leaving reviews and they are all happy users, right? They're using this website and making money every single day. And as you can see here, it's literally free money. You can cash out using a PayPal account, or you can donate to different charities. Finally, we're going to go on to the last app today where you can make money by literally doing nothing as well. And this is over at SMSapp.com. So right here on this website, if you have an Android phone, you can download it for free and you can literally make money online automatically by receiving SMS. Unfortunately for this app, they only work on Android phones. This doesn't work on an iPhone, but once again, I want you to comment down below and let me know if you are using an iPhone or if you are using an Android device. Once you download this app, you're gonna start receiving different text messages. You can ignore them and you can delete them, but you can earn money passively without an action, and once again, this app is completely free. Right now, I want you to comment below and let me know what is your preferred method of payment in your country. And once again, you can withdraw your money in this website within 48 hours, which is incredibly fast. And right here on this app, they do actually have a referral program where you can refer this app to your friends or community, and you can earn 30% from their earnings. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.